Suprabhat bachcho, namaskar. Good morning children, how are you all? Okay, so everyone had performed the test very well. So you people have got good marks. Okay, keep it up. Always do reading practice and learn question and answers, everything. Okay, so please do the concentration on the grammar. So in the grammar, little bit mistakes are there, children. So you have to do the practice on the grammar this time. Okay, children. Okay, so today we are going to see the lesson number 9. ये जो है टिकट एल्बम. इस टिकट एल्बम की जो रचयिता है उनका नाम है सुंदरा रामास्वामी. ठीक है बच्चों, तो इनका नाम है सुंदरा रामास्वामी. ही इज द राइटर ऑफ दिस लेसन ticket album. So in this ticket album we are having main two characters, no, one is Rajappa, another one is Nagarajan. Yes, no children. So Rajappa, from 3 years onwards he used to collect the tickets, like as traveling tickets, which means other country tickets, from here to India to Spain, those are going the tickets, or otherwise Pakistan, or otherwise Japan, or otherwise Russia, or otherwise US, UK. Okay, these traveling tickets he used to collect the tickets. Okay, that collecting the tickets and making, he made it like as an album, and he shown to everyone. Everybody are appreciated and everybody are prized. So after that, suddenly the Nagarajan, he got the ticket album from his uncle. He is in Singapore. From there to he sent like as a gift the ticket album. He shown everyone, and he is not allowing to touch that album. He is only sitting and showing like that he used to do. Okay, so after that, what it was happened by seeing that everything, now this Nagarajan, he got very famous in the school. Even the girls also, they are coming in, they are asking, and he gave his album. So that album presentation, at first only it is looking like as a one like as a quote is there. So everyone are, by seeing that quote, remaining other class children, they did copy in their classwork notebooks, in their textbooks, like that they did. So by seeing all these things, this Rajappa, he got very jealous. Okay, so at that time he thought, okay, he this much struggle I did, this much struggle I did, and I collected all the tickets. Now this Nagarajan, he became very famous, like that he got the jealous, and suddenly what he did, he ran to the Nagarajan's house, and he took that album. That album is in the drawer, so that album he took and he came to his house. After that, he hid that album, his school books, almara will be there, no, back side of the books, he hided that thing. Okay, so after that, at the time Nagarajan, he went outside another village he went. So after for some time, Appu came and he informed about these things. So now you know Nagarajan, he lost his album, like that he said. So at the time Rajappa, he got the tense, and he went and he closed his door tightly, and the next he checked again. Okay, whether that album is there, or otherwise it was gone, like that he thought, and he checked. So up to this much we had seen previously. So today we'll continue the lesson. चलो बच्चों, आज हम लोग देखते हैं इसका कंटिन्यूएशन. रात में खाना नहीं खाया, पेट जैसा भरा हुआ था. सारा घर चिंतित हो गया. उसका चेहरा भयानक हो गया था. So at that time, full night, in the night dinner he was not took, and the next he's feeling like his stomach is filled. So in the house it is having like as a worry, some worry thing is happening, like that it is there. उसका चेहरा भयानक हो गया था. By seeing his face like as a terror face, like that it is there. रात उसने सोने की कोशिश की, पर नींद नहीं आई. but at night he went for sleep, but he didn't get the sleep. एल्बम सिरहाने तकिए के नीचे रखकर सो गया. While he is sleeping at that time, he kept that album pillow under he kept, and he tried to sleep but he didn't get that sleep. सुबह अप्पू दोबारा आया. Again morning अप्पू came to his house. राजप्पा तब भी बिस्तर पर बैठा था. At that time राजप्पा he sat on the bed sheet only. सो अप्पू सुबह नागराजन के घर होकर आया था. सो बट बिफोर कमिंग टू राजप्पा's हाउस, अप्पू ही वेंट नागराजन्स हाउस. आफ्टर दैट ओनली ही केम टू दी राजप्पा's हाउस. कल तुम उसके घर गए थे? अप्पू ने पूछा. एट द टाइम अप्पू आस्क्ड, yesterday you went नागराजन्स हाउस, like that अप्पू started asking. राजप्पा की सांस जैसे ऊपर की ऊपर और नीचे की नीचे रह गई. सो एट द टाइम राजप्पा he got tense and he took the breath, no, that one it became like I say outer breath outer, inner breath inner, like that much tense he got. फिर सिर हिला दिया. At the time he nodded his head. वे जिस तरह चाहे सोच ले. So he thought, okay, let him whatever he can think, like that. He started nodded, he nodded his head. कामाक्षी ने कहा था कि हमारे जाने के बाद खाली तुम वहाँ आए थे. सो कामाक्षी, नागराजन सिस्टर, नो, सो कामाक्षी he said, you alone came here after we went outside, like that कामाक्षी said, like that this Appu said. Appu बोला, Appu said this thing. राजप्पा को समझते देर नहीं लगी कि अब सब उस पर शक करने लगे हैं. सो एट द टाइम राजप्पा ही अंडरस्टूड, नाउ एवरीबडी आर गेटिंग डाउट ऑन मी, लाइक दैट राजप्पा ही अंडरस्टूड दैट थिंग. कल रात से नागराजन लगातार रोए जा रहा है. फ्रॉम yesterday onwards नागराजन कंटिन्यूसली ही इज क्राइंग बिकॉज ही लॉस्ट हिज एल्बम. उसके पापा शायद पुलिस को खबर देंगे. दे आई थिंक हिज फादर ही इज गिविंग द कंप्लेंट इन पुलिस स्टेशन, लाइक दैट अप्पू ने फिर कहा. अगेन अप्पू सेड दिस वर्ड्स टू राजप्पा. राजप्पा फिर भी चुप रहा. एट द टाइम राजप्पा ही इज वेरी क्वाइट. उसके पापा डीएसपी के दफ्तर में ही तो काम करते हैं. एट द टाइम अप्पू सेड, नागराजन्स फादर ही इज वर्किंग इन द डीएसपी ऑफिस ओनली, नो, सो ही मे बी ही कैन कंप्लेंट इन द पुलिस स्टेशन, लाइक दैट अप्पू सेड टू राजप्पा. बस वह पलक झपक दे और पुलिस की फौज हाजिर. सपोज इफ वंस they are signing or otherwise they are showing his eyes now, so the police can come, like that. आपको जैसे आग में घी डाल रहा था. सो लाइक दैट आपको ही इज टेलिंग दीज थिंग्स. सो यह तो भला हुआ कि अप्पू का भाई उसे ढूंढता हुआ आ गया. एट द टाइम इट इज हैपनिंग गुड देर व्हेन ही इज टेलिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, नो, एट द टाइम अप्पूज ब्रदर ही इज सर्चिंग एंड ही केम देर. और अप्पू चलता बना. एट द टाइम ओके ब्रदर केम, नो, सो अप्पू ही वेंट. राजप्पा के पापा दफ्तर चले गए थे. एट द टाइम राजप्पा's फादर ही वेंट टू द ऑफिस. बाहर का किवाड़ बंद था. सो आउटसाइड विंडो वॉज क्लोज्ड. राजप्पा अभी तक बिस्तर पर बैठा हुआ था. सो राजप्पा स्टिल एट द टाइम स्टिल ही वॉज सिटिंग ऑन द बेड ओनली. आधा घंटा गुजर गया और वह उसी तरह बैठा रहा था. सो हाफ एन आवर इट वॉज हैपेंड, स्टिल राजप्पा ही सैट ऑन दैट बेड ओनली. तभी बाहर की संकल खटकी. एट द टाइम फ्रॉम आउटसाइड दैट लॉक विल बी देयर, नो, दैट वन समबडी वाज नॉक्ड. पुलिस, राजप्पा बुदबुदाया. एट द टाइम मे बी पुलिस, लाइक दैट राजप्पा ही थॉट. भीतर संकल लगी थी. सो इनसाइड दैट डोर लॉक विल बी देयर, नो, दैट वन इज लॉक्ड. दरवाज़ा खटकने की आवाज़ तेज़ हो गई. नाउ दिस टाइम दैट साउंड इट इज़ कमिंग वेरी फास्ट, दैट नॉकिंग साउंड. राजप्पा ने तकिए के नीचे से एल्बम उठाया और ऊपर भागा. सो एट द टाइम राजप्पा व्हाट ही डिड while in the night he is sleeping, he kept under the pillow, no, that one he took it and that album he took and he kept up. Okay, he took that thing और ऊपर भागा. He went to the first floor. अलमारी के पीछे छिपा दे. Again, okay, this one I can hide in the almara's books backside like that. He thought, नहीं, पुलिस ने अगर तलाश ली तो पकड़ा जाएगा. So again he is thinking himself only. Suppose police they are coming and they are searching means definitely I can fall in trouble like that. This Rajappa thought. Album को कमीज के नीचे छिपाकर वह नीचे आ गया. Again what he did, he took that album and he hid it in his shirt. Okay, and he came down. बाहर का दरवाजा अब भी बज रहा था. सो स्टिल आउटसाइड डोर इट इज नॉकिंग कंटिन्यूअसली. कौन है? अरे दरवाजा क्यों नहीं खोलता? अम्मा भीतर से चिल्लाई. सो एट द टाइम he said, who is there? Why you are not opening the door? Like that mother started shouting. थोड़ी देर और हुई तो अम्मा खुद ही उठकर चली आएंगी. Suppose still it is continuously knocking na, now this time mother will come like that. This Rajappa thought. राजप्पा पिछवाड़े की ओर भागा. एट द टाइम राजप्पा ही रैन बैक साइड ऑफ द हाउस. जल्दी से अब बाथरूम में घुसकर दरवाजा बंद कर लिया. एट द टाइम राजप्पा इमीडिएटली ही वेंट टू द बाथरूम एंड ही क्लोज्ड द डोर ऑफ द बाथरूम. अम्मा ने अंगूठी पर गर्म पानी के दगीचे चढ़ा रखी थी. एट द टाइम मदर व्हाट शी इज डूइंग, हॉट वाटर वेजल शी केप्ट ऑन दैट स्टव. उसने एल्बम को अंगीठी में डाल दिया. एल्बम जलने लगा. एट द टाइम शी so that stove, at the time he went and he put that album in the stove and that album was fired, which means it was started burning. कितने प्यारे टिकट थे. एट द टाइम राजप्पा थॉट क्यूट टिकट्स लाइक दैट ही सेड. राजप्पा की आंखों में आंसू आ गया. एट द टाइम राजप्पा's eyes the tears came. तभी अम्मा की आवाज आई. एट द टाइम हर मदर्स वॉइस केम. जल्दी से आ तो नहाकर नागराजन तुझे ढूंढता हुआ आया है. एट द टाइम शी सेड टेक बाथ एंड कम फास्ट आउटसाइड. नागराजन ही इज सर्चिंग एंड ही केम हियर लाइक दैट मदर सेड. राजप्पा ने निकर उतार दी और गीला तौलिया लपेटकर बाहर आ गया. एट द टाइम राजप्पा व्हाट ही डिड, immediately he removed his knicker and the towel. He rolled the towel and he came outside. कपड़े बदलकर वह ऊपर गया. Again he changed his dress and he went up. नागराजन कुर्सी पर बैठा हुआ था. At the time नागराजन he sat on the chair. उसे देखते ही बोला, मेरा एल्बम खो गया है यार. At the time by seeing Rajappa he said, I lost my album friend. Like that he said. उसका चेहरा उतरा हुआ था. At the time his face is looking very dull. काफी रोकर आया था शायद. So maybe he cried a lot and he came here. कहाँ रखा था तुमने? At the time he asked. Rajappa asked. Where you kept? राजप्पा ने पूछा. Rajappa asked. शायद दराज में. शहर से लौटा तो गायब. Maybe I kept in the drawer. After when I came from the city, I lost my album. Like that, this Nagarajan said. Okay. So have you all understanding, no children? Okay. So up to this much today we had learned, children. So in the next class we'll see the continuation of this story, Ticket Album. Okay. So before going to end this session, I want to say one thing, children. We are having art integration activity. Okay. Topic already I had revealed. Again I am telling, we are having the topic Ticket Album. So यात्रा के टिकट कोई 4 चित्र चिपकाकर उनके ऊपर कुछ वाक्य लिखिए. So traveling tickets like bus ticket, train ticket, plane ticket, or boats also they are going to give the tickets. So you go in the internet and you go to the internet and check there what are the types of traveling tickets we are getting. The picture. If you want to draw, you can draw. Otherwise, if you want to take the print, you can take the print and use take it the thing and stick on the chart paper and write few sentences for each. Suppose if you are sticking the bus ticket now, so you have to write few sentences about bus ticket. Means this is the bus ticket, ये bus ticket है, ये बस टिकट यहाँ से कहाँ तक जाने वाली टिकट है. Okay, so like that you write. Okay children, so draw or paste the traveling tickets any four and write few sentences on each, but you have to write in Hindi. Okay children. Okay, have you all understood now? Suppose if you are having any doubt, you can ask in our group. Okay, thank you all of you. Dhanyawad bachcho. So before leaving the class, I want to tell one more thing. So this activity you have to submit on or before January 4th. ओके चिल्ड्रन. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. धन्यवाद बच्चों. हम लोग मिलते हैं